Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana Nogoslaeva and I'm the event director at Woodex, Russia's largest trade show of the equipment and technologies for woodworking and furniture production. Since uncertainties in the wake of the pandemic remain very high worldwide and trade shows are being cancelled, more and more companies turn their attention to the lucrative Russian market. And here Woodex, a leading event for timber industry professionals, has no competition. Russia is one of the most promising woodworking markets. Russia holds first place in terms of total forest area in the world. Just imagine that the total area of forests in Russia equals 20% of the world's forest resources and stands for 815 million hectares. However, own production of woodworking equipment is much inferior to imports. Around 90% of machinery and tools come to the Russian producers and manufacturers from foreign countries. The Russian timber market manages to thrive in spite of the challenging time which many industries have faced with the coronavirus outbreak. For instance, the export of timber products in 2020 gained almost 8% in comparison with the level of 2019. For many months, Russia has been seeing a positive trend to the coronavirus situation, particularly thanks to the fast progress in vaccination. Since fall 2020, Hive Group has delivered all the shows according to the schedule and in compliance with the safety and rules and regulations. Furthermore, Russia's 2020 COVID economic support package is estimated at 4% of GDP. Thus, lower rates and higher incomes should support domestic demand, which will benefit to the manufacturing industry. Alas, in these unprecedented times, we do not have a chance to communicate through live events as much as we would like to. However, we reckon standing together now is as important as ever. And Woodex is pleased to announce it will continue to serve the Russian timber industry as planned on November 30, December 3rd at Crocus Expo, Moscow, Russia. And we are honored to invite you to join us. Firstly, Woodex is your fast-track gateway to the lucrative Russian market. More than 9,000 professionals from the wood industry and furniture manufacturing in Russia and CIS attend Woodex. Over 350 companies from 27 countries choose Woodex to showcase their equipment and materials. Secondly, Woodex is a solid, high-quality investment of your marketing budget that yields exceptional value and positive results. Based on exhibitors' feedback, 90% are satisfied with the quantity and quality of visitors, and 80% signed new contracts. Lastly, but most importantly, within just 4 days you will be able to meet chief engineers and heads of the companies from Russian and international leading enterprises. All of them experience a constant demand for new equipment and technologies to boost production and ready to invest. Get a slide of this painting at Woodex 2021. To sum up, if you are looking to grow your brand on the Russian market, Woodex is your place to be. Inquire today at woodexpo.ru, our official website, to secure the best options for your company. We are looking forward to seeing you in Moscow and thank you for your attention.